Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Sunday 24th of July. And we're rather much making some very positive progress at the moment. Okay, this is super positive. This is super really super positive at the moment that I see for Bitcoin. But we are trying to make a push to the upside. So if you survive a Saturday, let me tell you, if you're surviving the Saturday, of course today's Sunday as well, and there's a little bit of a problem on a Sundays, but especially when you survive the market on a Saturday, Sunday basically makes that thing to, it actually makes up for that. And I don't know if you understand that thing, what I'm trying to say. But let's say on a Saturday, if you are actually losing this trend line on a Saturday, that trend line, then Sunday will probably be much more nasty and Mondays will be nasty. But the fact that on a Saturday you're coming down and you're bouncing off that particular support over there, that's really good. It's a very good sign. It's not a bad sign, right? And especially now that for Sunday you do have like nearly how many hours do you have to close this Sunday? It's actually going to be 15 hours 38 minutes that you have to close the daily candlestick. And to me this looks really amazing. And the reason why I say it looks really amazing is because a lot of altcoins at the moment are looking super good at the moment. They're all of them, like, they're bouncing off the support. I can show you GMT at the moment. This is what I've been looking for, GMT right now. Came down and it's actually doing pretty good job of trying to make a morning star as well here and try to move higher. Okay, SHIB is doing some holding of support as well. Broke out of an inverse head and shoulder. We're now somewhere at this level right now. That's actually pretty positive as well. There are so many things happening. Ethereum looks like it's going to do the opposite of what I'm expecting it. So it's actually kind of making that bullish rectangle pattern, and then it's going to break out and maybe perhaps move to the upside as well. So Bitcoin is not looking to dump. And I told you, we really need, there are some videos that I made previously on the channel, and that video says we need to stay above this particular level. Let's say this wick down here. If Bitcoin stays above this wick, $21,500, we're still good. We're really still good. Now there's a little bit of chance though to actually still bounce off this area, $21,800, maybe make something like this and then try to actually climb up once again. But overall, on a higher bird's view, I think Bitcoin is doing an amazing job to stay there. And who knows, by the end of the day, this can be a bull, what do you call this? Bull flag. Okay, so from there to there, we might be looking for Bitcoin to basically push all the way up to this level, which is going to be $27,753 out of that bull flag. So keep in mind, with every single candlestick, there are so many stories to be told. Okay, but at the moment, this is not a confirmed breakout. We need to confirm a breakout to actually go up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the trend line once again, and I'm going to draw this from there to there, and take another trend line and draw it from there to there. Boom, just like that. So I do expect this maybe in the next few days. Tomorrow is Monday. Today's Sunday. We just need to survive today, which I think you're gonna do. Okay, personally, finger crossed. That's my own opinion, but we still need to check the charts. And if they decide to actually push Bitcoin below $21,500, then in my opinion, that's gonna be a very bad sign, a negative sign to continue to the upside. Otherwise, I do see this thing now trying to push up to this price level, $27,753 out of a bull flag at the moment. And not only that, you do have this resistance number 1, resistance number 2 here, and yesterday you beautifully came down and perhaps even bounced off this area. I could even say that the stop loss should be placed nearly $21,800 if you just go below this level, because by the end of the day, if I do zoom in into that candlestick right there, then that is your spinning top. You're putting in a spinning top at the moment, and that spinning top is right at the support. Okay, right at the support. Diving into the 4-hour time frame, it's way more clear and way more visible of what's happening at the moment. So here we are, and what I'm going to do is just zoom out a little bit, and you can see already that this was your touch here. Yes, your touch right there, another few touches right here, another touch of a breakout, broke to the upside, came down, and you're perhaps finding the retest at the moment. Yeah, it can actually bounce off some few times. You can still come down again here to this level, bounce off this area, make a little bit of a candlesticks, and then you start to move higher. Maybe today can do that because it's Sunday. Who knows? It can actually just do something like this, go down and start to move higher. I just want to see the 1 hour time frame and get the whole clue at the present situation of what's going to happen. So yeah, here we are on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you do have a nice good mini uptrend coming in, and you might potentially have put a bull flag here. So from there to there, you might be looking for Bitcoin to actually pop up to $23,053. If it does that, that would be amazing. So what you're doing on a 1 hour time frame, this is a very mini trade right now, is you actually broke out of this level, so there's a good chance you come down to $22,500 again. Come here, hold this level, and then actually move up to $23,000 today, maybe today. Yeah, so I do reckon that it's going to do something like this: come down, hold this level, bounce off this level, and then start to move higher and higher. That would be amazing. Really pretty good, really awesome. This is a very small movement to the upside, but still remember, our stop loss, better stop loss could be for Bitcoin to be at $21,500. Take out $21,500. That's going to be an alarming situation. Now it's Sunday. We're about to open up the new week. So how is the new week going to be like? You see, with the new week, is that Bitcoin is about to make a very bullish closing in the next 15 hours, 32 minutes. And that really speaks a lot. That means a lot. Okay, that really means a lot at the moment. So if you're gonna do something like that, that would be really good. And you can already see there's a little bit of a space, by Monday, who knows, come down to $22,000, $22,088, bounce off $22,088, make that small wick, and then boom, push to the upside and just melt through and go to $27,000. Things are looking good, honestly. Things are really looking good, and I've rarely spoken about things looking really good. I can be proven wrong, and the only way to be proven wrong is actually taking out $21,500. Then I'm not in the favor of an uptrend anymore. It's more like me taking a microphone right now and making an announcement that, hey guys, $22,000 is going to be good, but $21,500, listen, is going to be bad. I repeat, $21,500 is gonna be bad. Okay, so you got the message, right? $21,500. Lose that, close below it, then it's gonna be a problem. And why is it gonna be a problem? Well, it's simple. It's a very simple formula here. All you're doing is you're closing and you're getting inside this range again, because you went up, came down, went up, came down, barely just broke it out, and now you're coming down and you're again falling into the trap of maybe moving down to $18,800. And who knows, if things get bad and you actually end up losing this level again, then you're looking for Bitcoin to squash all the way to the downside, right? And that's it for today's update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, office.